Hi. So we're making Jamaican carrot juice today. The ingredients you will need:
pound and a half.
About a pound and a half of carrots. You're gonna, scrape them, wash them, and you'll need a can of sweet condensed milk. You'll need nutmeg. You can get the real nutmeg or the one like this, and some vanilla. So what you'll do is you'll need a strainer, you need a grater. So you're gonna grate the carrots and put the shred in a bowl. And when you finish grating, you'll use at least 8 cups of water to squeeze the grates together to get that juice, the carrot juice out, and put it in a pitcher if you have a pitcher. Okay, I'm gonna scrape the carrots and then my son will grate them for me. So here we go. My son is finishing up grating the carrots. Then when he finish, I'll pour the water on the grated carrot. So you pour the water in, and that is 4 cups. Then I'm gonna squeeze everything together. I washed my hand previous, so my hands are clean. What am I trying to do is get the juices from the carrots. That was great.
That's 4 cups. Do you need more water?
Yeah. I'm gonna add 4 more cups of water to this. So that would give me 8 cups. Okay, I poured the other 4 ounces of water, cups of water in. So we're gonna put the strainer over the pitcher and strain the carrot juice in the pitcher. And I'm still trying to get as much as I can out of it. I pour the carrot and the juice into a strainer, and now I'm squeezing the carrot to get all the juices I can get out of it. Now if you have a cheesecloth, you could also use it for this purpose. Okay. All right. This is what it looks like. It's just the color of the carrot. And this is what I'm gonna put the condensed milk. Let me wash my hands And then I'll show you how to mix. Here's the fun part. Not seasoning, but turning it into a real drink. So you put a pinch of vanilla.
About a teaspoon?
About that. Then you put a pinch of ground nutmeg, or if you have a whole nutmeg, you could grate it and put it.
About a half a teaspoon?
About.
So you say about a half a teaspoon?
About a half a teaspoon. And then you have the condensed milk, you put the whole container and just take time and keep stirring. I don't use sugar because the condensed milk is sweet. So you don't need sugar. Try to get it all in there. I don't use regular milk, just the condensed milk. I'm going to do a taste. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes good. So all you have to do is put it back in the pitcher, put it in your pitcher and put it in your fridge to get cool. Don't drink it like this. You need it to be cooled or put it on ice. And that's your drink for the day. Healthy carrot juice. You better hold on to this, please. There's your carrot juice. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit for another taste with the ice. So let's take a taste. Perfect. Hope you all like this recipe. I'll be doing more in the future. Thank you.